Did you know that in today's digital age, there are incredible AI-powered tools that can transform your creative projects, simplify tasks, and even help you channel your inner artist? Today, we'll be looking at 5 amazing tools you probably didn't know existed. AI tools like these are not just about convenience. They're here to make your life easier, your projects cooler, and unleash your imagination in ways you've never imagined. First up, let's talk about OnScreen. This enables you to remove backgrounds from your videos like a pro without a green screen. OnScreen does exactly that. Whether you're vlogging, making presentations, or just want to have some fun, OnScreen can quickly and effectively erase your background, giving you a polished and clean look. Moving on, we have HeyGen Labs Video Translate. Have you ever wanted to reach a global audience with your videos? HeyGen makes it a breeze. It's your multilingual buddy for video content. Simply choose your video, pick a language, and it'll do the rest. Plus, you can even adjust lip sync to make it look like you're speaking the language. Language barriers? Consider them conquered. Gid create tutorials with ease. Let's see an example.
Muchos datos y encontrar patrones que los humanos no podrían, como detectar enfermedades en etapas tempranas.
स्थानांतरी प्रारंभिक बड़ा कमान है जिसका महत्व अत्यंत बड़ा है और इसके बारे में बहुत कुछ.
Now, let's talk about Gid. Imagine having your own virtual tutor for creating tutorials. Gid helps you easily craft step-by-step guides with screenshots, text instructions, and even voiceovers. It's perfect for simplifying complex tasks or teaching team members how to get things done. It's like having a personal assistant for your training materials. Civic AI is up next. This one's for the artists out there. Civic AI lets you explore various AI models to generate unique art pieces. It's your canvas of creativity, and you can test these styles before downloading hefty files. So go ahead, unleash your inner Picasso. Lastly, let's talk about TextFX. TextFX is your brainstorming buddy. It helps you with creative text generation, whether you're writing poetry, scripts, or catchy headlines. It's your secret weapon for alliteration, acronyms, and much more. Say goodbye to writer's block. These tools are like your creative sidekicks, always ready to lend a hand. We invite you to explore these hidden gems, try them out, and see how they can elevate your projects and ignite your creativity. Be sure to let us know in the comments which one caught your eye the most. If you found this video informative and exciting, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech-savvy content. Join our community, and let's embark on this AI-powered adventure together. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and stay tech-savvy. See you in the next video.